All right, guys, I'm back in the shop today. Thinking the plan today, at least to start, I'm gonna see how long it takes, is to get all this stuff out of the trunk and the cockpit. Just go through it, see what's in there. A lot of it's pretty dirty. Gonna clean it up. See maybe if I can get some part numbers and start throwing them up in eBay and see what the stuff's worth. I don't really care if it's worth $5. I'm gonna throw it up. And I'll talk about it a little bit more when I do the eBay stuff. But what I like to do, especially with stuff like this, is just I'll put something that I know is worth $100 up just straight auction for $5, and that way you just get it gone. You might only get $80 or $90 for it, but I don't care. I want the cash. I don't want to wait around with this stuff in my garage. So I'm gonna see what happens there. It's all pretty dusty, so I'm gonna, I think, pull it out and take a look at it, get it outside, clean it up, and then maybe check out what it's worth. Also, you'll see today I have my dirty shop hat on. I forgot to have my nice hat on yesterday. Kind of messed it up, which really bummed me out. And I got the Wings t-shirt on today, so those will be for sale up on my site if you want to check those out, and that link will be below. All right, let's get to it. All right, got all the junk out. All that's left over is leaves and some hardware. Always like to keep this stuff. We usually have some nice plastic containers around the shop, but they're all full, so we'll have to finish some peanut butter pretzels this weekend and get a couple of those in here. Usually I'd probably separate the plastic stuff and the nuts and bolts and that type of stuff, but just gonna throw it in this box for now. Only thing that's really left is leaves and stuff that's attached to the car. Here's like a trunk fuse box. I saw some wires were cut, so I don't know if we'll be able to keep the harness, but that would be cool. Eventually, probably next, I'll start pulling stuff like this up that's kind of towards the top of the car and pretty accessible. Looks like it's a washer reservoir or something, but I'm not really sure. Same thing in here. A little bit of hardware. Peanut shells, bumblebee, some more hardware, lots of leaves. This is garbage. This is garbage, probably. A little more hardware. Unlucky penny. Is that a lucky penny? I can't even tell. It's probably unlucky. So that's basically it. This is the interior. No motor, no transmission, which we knew. But I still think there's stuff on here that we can clean up and make a couple bucks on. Even just looking around here, the gas tank's still in it. I don't know what this is. That's probably another reservoir of some sort, but struts, suspension parts. I think this is for the AC, but then over here, there's another one of those. So this is for the AC, and this is a radiator. So maybe some money out of the radiator. So yeah, we'll see. But for now, got to go outside and look at the other stuff we pulled out of here. All right, so here we are. with all the junk I pulled out of that car. I think, again, body panels Noah wants, so I'll check in with him and make sure I don't sell anything he wants. Some of the stuff I think is junk, and some of it might be worth a couple bucks. Like these bumperettes from the back of the car, I checked on last night. People are getting like $100 for those if they're nice. I mean, if I could get 50 out of them, I'd be happy. Only one of these grates for the side intake, so we'll clean that up. The mirrors, I got to pull the other mirror off the other side, but it doesn't have glass, so I'll probably sell those separately, not as a pair. Then this plastic shit, who knows. A couple brackets over there. So the only thing to do now is clean them up, get some part numbers, and see what it's all worth. This carpet stuff, obviously I'm not going to wash. And then this stuff is just like plastic crap. But who knows? I'm going to look into a little. If I check like 3 or 4 things and it's all like worthless, then I'll just toss it. But we'll see. All right, did some Googling. Again, I think I'm all low in numbers, like $30, $20, 50 for the side view, 20 for the rear view. These like $20. This piece actually a little bit more, like 40. This one like 80. And then I think most of this stuff's probably kind of junk. But I'm gonna clean it all and then do a little bit more research on this stuff. But I'm not really too worried about it. And I didn't look at this stuff, but I'm just gonna clean it up. And then I'm gonna bring it inside and start putting numbers into a spreadsheet and get a little better idea of what we got here. All right, guys, got all these, let's see here, parts cleaned. I really wanted to get inside and get the part numbers down today and start doing a little pricing research, but it's so freaking hot and this took me a little longer than I wanted. I also saved you the agony of watching me wash each one of these parts. I just got like a little clip of doing the beginning stuff. And then I realized as I was rinsing, I started at the bottom of the hill, not at the top of the hill, so I was getting dirty water all over my clean parts, so I had to do a quick re-rinse. But next video will be cataloging all this stuff, bring it inside. I have a little spot where I list and do pictures, so next one will be all about eBay, getting this stuff up on eBay. And then after that, I'll go back to the car and start getting some other stuff out of there. Also, one of the perks here, got a priceless PowerTech Rockaway, New Jersey license plate frame. PowerTech is the best. If you guys are Northeast New Jersey, even guys come from New York, Pennsylvania to get their cars worked on by PowerTech. Keith and the guys over there always took care of me. Really the best. So I'm gonna go to the beach. I'm sweat through this shirt and now it's nice and dirty. So I'm done with this for the day. But I hope you guys enjoyed another installment of me pulling apart and cleaning up this whole Boxster and trying to find a new car with it. All right, see you next time. Thanks.